Hello students, welcome to IMS Academy. In this particular session, we are going to discuss a very interesting question which is asked in GATE CS in the year 2008 for 1 mark. This is the question related to the subject digital circuits and the question belongs to the topic base or radix. Okay, so just observe this particular relation. What is the equation they have given? Under root 1 to 1 base r is equal to 1 base r. Okay, whatever the equation they have given, in order to hold that particular equation, what should be the value of base r or radix r? In general, many of the students used to select the option as select the answer as option A. Okay, because when you perform squaring on both sides, 11 square is nothing but 121. That in general everyone knows, right? So because of that, many of the students may choose option A as the correct. But for this question, option A won't be the correct. Any guess? All of you just pause the video and give a try why option A won't be correct for this particular question. Okay. Now for this particular equation, first let us see with respect to conventional approach, and then we are given the conclusion points. With the help of that, we will decide among the given four choices, which one is going to be the correct option. This is a very interesting question. Okay, right. So here, whatever the equation you are having, just perform squaring on both sides so that you are going to get one equation like this. 1 to 1 base r is equal to 1 base r whole square, right? Now, whenever you are having any number belongs to whatever the number system, okay, so every digit will be having corresponding positional weights in powers of the corresponding base. Like you can observe here, first digit r power 0, next digit r power 1, next digit r square. Similarly here we are having two digits, positional weights r power 0, r power 1. In order to find out the equivalent value or equivalent expression, every digit you can multiply with the corresponding positional weight and then you can add. So here you are getting left hand side r square plus 2r plus 1. Right hand side you got r plus 1. After that you are having square. By using a plus b whole square formula, you are getting r square plus 2r plus 1. That means in this particular equation, whatever LHS equation you are having, exactly same equation you are getting. With the help of this relation, you cannot find the solution. In general, what will happen, whenever you are having one quadratic equation, after that you can find the solutions or roots. But for this particular equation, since LHS, RHS both are same, we cannot find the R value just by using this particular relation. Now, whenever you are coming across like that, very simple. Here, according to the given question or equation, whatever they have given, so their R is nothing but base or radix. Okay. Now just observe among the individual digits, right? Here, like you are having 3 digits and here you are having 2 digits. Total 5 digits we are having. Among all the individual digits, 2 is the maximum number. 2 is the maximum number, right? So that means for generalized case, whatever the numbers they have given, those numbers are valid in base 3 and onwards. Or in other words, you can say it is greater than 2. Okay, base value greater than 2. Say for example, what I mean to say, generalized case, whenever you are supposed to decide regarding the base, you have to find out among the individual digits which digit is having the maximum value. And if you want to consider the equality case, maximum value of single digit plus 1. Okay, if you want to remove the equality, then you can remove this one, that's all. Okay, so here among all the digits, 2 is the maximum. So R value should be greater than 2. And anyway, definitely base should be integer. So that means R greater than 2. That means this particular equation is valid from base 3 onwards. Base 3, base 4, base 5, etc. Okay. So this is the conclusion point. Now you can observe here, like choices you're having. Option A, decimal number, means base value 10. Option B, base value 11. Option C, both base value 10 and 11. Whereas option D, any value greater than 2. Okay. So for this question, option D is going to be the correct one. Now some of you might be having still some curiosity and like how this is going to happen. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with respect to like normal multiplication or squaring of a number. Okay. See, 1 square is nothing but multiply 1 with 1. Okay. For the time being, I have considered base 3. For the time being, I have considered both the numbers belongs to base 3. Okay, right. So now just perform the multiplication. So just like normal multiplication, see, you are considering this 1 multiply with these 2, so you are getting 1 1. Similarly, you consider this 1 multiply with 1 1, you are getting 1 1. After that, just perform the addition. So here you are getting 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and here 1. See, when you consider individual numbers 1 1, both the numbers individually 1 1 1 1. That means these numbers are valid starting from base value 2. But after you are multiplying like this, whatever the resultant answer you got, in that resultant answer, the maximum digit among the individual digits, maximum value of the single digit is going to be 2. That means we can represent the digit value 2 starting from base value 3. Right? So that is the reason generalized case I mentioned here 3 also. Okay. So that means whatever you are getting 1 to 1, it is not only when you are considering these two numbers belongs to base 3. If you consider both the numbers base 4, both the numbers base 5, even 10, 11, whatever it may be. So, but starting base should be 3. Okay. So that is the reason here for generalized case, option D is going to be the correct answer. This is a very interesting question. I hope all of you liked this question, and whatever the solution we have discussed, I hope all of you liked. So like this, if you want to get to know whatever the interesting questions that we are doing in this particular series of lectures, and whoever visiting our YouTube channel very first time, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be getting instant notification. And whoever liked this particular question and solution, all of you can like and share this video link with all of your friends so that they also will get benefited from this particular session. Thank you everyone.